probably time for questions, I think. Other issue I'm having here, you've been hearing already today regarding our IPv6 national launch date that we did a few years ago. Well, now on the agenda we have the DNSSEC, how to get that implemented in Finland. I'm going to give you this kind of really brief motivation talk. There's not that much details to be told on the event itself, but few slides on that. I think I don't really need to tell what the DNSSEC is, but basically I think I'm actually going to the motivation because, well, we need to be able to secure the DNS queries and replies. That's the basic thing to prevent the fraud. And well, what do we need to do? We have two functions. The domain names have to be signed, and also these resolvers must validate the signatures. So we have two entities that must implement the DNSSEC to make it happen. The ISPs and the registrars. So on the following slides, I think you can easily see there's still a lot to do in Finland. So let's take the Nordic view here. Well, in Norway and in Sweden, we have more than half of the domains are signed on under the .se and the NO. Basically, you have a bit smaller figures in Denmark and Iceland, but basically in Finland, if you consider the amount of the signed domains, that's around 1%. And also from that, more than 70% of those signed domains are not from non-Finnish registrars. So we are really lagging behind on this. Also, if we consider how the validation is done in Finland, well, it's not really good. I mean, only at least according to the statistics, only 7% of the internet traffic is going through the validation in Finland. And well, I mean, there are of course still many countries that has a lot to do on this area, but there are many countries that are doing much better. So I would say that we are in quite a similar position than we were in the year 2015 before we had a IPv6 launch, where we actually managed to get the thing implemented, and basically we got, I would say, Finland to quite a good position globally. So, well, we are going to have the national DNSSEC launch date, September, 5th of September. And basically, well, we have this kind of the goal to boost the implementation. We want to have the domain name registrars, ISPs, companies running the critical infrastructure to participate. We have the possibility to, of course, provide information, give advice, but also give a lot of media visibility on this. And basically, well, this is something that we don't yet have a lot of this kind of the details ready, but basically if you have any questions, comments, or you already know that you want to participate, please contact Juhani so we get you on board. This is something I think we really need to do. And yeah, I think that was all I had in my mind, so basically, yeah, just come to me and let's have a talk after the dinner or the sauna event.
Thank you very much.